by Chucky them.
When ear, come on, when ear.
Yes, yes, yes. The little last one, the seed. His name is Seed of Chucky.
Look pan cheese and look pan Chucky son.
Oh God, no sir. You're too bad. You're too
Then time I see you come up and I say blood clot could Chucky cave. Chucky daughter.
Me say, if you ever have it, you know, with and then you could teeth them. You could find teeth.
But by see it, then I used to because
When she go be the one, we go call out the man, and then clap him and kill him. And now everybody realize and know say she was the girl who called out the man. So them end up with a look for she, so she'd have to jump fence and leave.
Tappy, me say she did that one Caribbean island too.
That a
And
different
this,
something.
yeah, dance go-go or so. Me one next,
Dance go, you to sell pussy over the thing.
yeah. That a one next story over there, so one different.
Barbados.
Yeah, and she catch the big A over there and one bag of something.
Me I say something to you.
That's how she catch the bell when she a sell.
Yeah, me say and she left a pitney over there.
When me cuss her and say, when you over Barbados and you fuck your man and the man take a pitney and you catch a big A over there, okay, good, slow down. She come, and I say, come out with your blood test. The same day she come out with that test and she show that, alright, cool, slow down, alright. Notice you hear somebody else from Barbados come and talk what she do. In a bar.
Yeah,
Okay.
cause money from Barbados, me a talkie.
I mean, and me did say that first, right? Cool.
Yeah, me the you with it first, but then me yeah, nobody come but me somebody as old as she be.
Not if RT no record, and not if RT no
When me didn't know that something like that, I come say.
Exactly. Not if she never do this to RT, she would have able to have papers in her country. But she thief and them something and the probation plus RT now. Within the next 3 months I support RT, I gonna make him lawyer, make judge, revoke the probation and dip him blood clot. So the moral of the story is as long as he can't tell you.
Aye.
Remember me not come here to know, me the on my way.
You know, RT, I was there, miss one video with her when she died Jamaica, she had talk about. You ever see that video where she make about sitting under the light and what?
I tell you now, say the government deport him immigration and put him in a deportation.
Alright, that one you knew? That one you knew?
For the course, you only have the social security and the work permit and them deny the green card because too much case upon him.
Okay now, rat it.
So green card not there to get a criminal.
Mm-hmm.
Like 3 times thief and then catch him before this one where they put him on probation.
When in New York she there, so how bad can it be? You know, I always get away with a lot of things in New York.
Now where you get them the story from?
Listen, me just, I have cousins up there and they say they get away with